Okay, we'll do a quick walk around the outside of the Sensation, a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and it has a flex room that a lot of people like. We're gonna go check that out. So this is a single section home. This home's been real popular with people that want to have an extra living area. All right, let's go inside, take a look. Okay, everybody, we're gonna walk through the Sensation. It's a 3-bedroom by Clayton Homes. Let's go ahead and take a walk through back here. This is a 3-bedroom. We got the ecobee smart heat and air system. It's a heat pump. Here's your first bedroom. So walk through here. We can see we got a great first bedroom here. Big closet. Lots of outlets. 1, 2, 3, 4 outlets. These windows are double pane argon gas. Super duper energy efficient. There's your bathroom. Got a full bath right here. And then this would be bedroom number 2 at the end. Really nice sized bedroom down here. Let's check out the closet. And again, these homes are super duper energy efficient. This comes from the True Home Factory down in Texas. Speaking of Texas, we've been having quite a few families moving up to Oklahoma from Texas. If you're looking to make the move, we'd love to talk to you. Give us a holler. Now in these homes, you get the appliances that come with it. The stove, dishwasher, and a brand new refrigerator, all included. This one has a nice island with it, with your outlet there. A really nice sliding glass door again, double pane argon gas. Now coming from the True Factory, one thing I like to point out is these homes are going to have some of the best price points in them. I know from the factory, this home, you're going to be looking at somewhere in the high 70s, low 80s, delivered, set up. But the prices will vary depending on what state you're having the home delivered to or from. This home is currently sitting at Oakwood Homes of Tulsa. If you want to come by and do a walkthrough. Now this is that flex room that makes this home super popular. What's nice about it is it does have an extra closet in here, so some people use this as a 4th bedroom or their office if you work from home. So it's a great room for that. Now coming down the hallway here, here's your Smart Comfort. As you see here, you got the Smart Comfort heat and air system. And then next to that, we got the hot water heater by Rheem. And then on your breaker box, all these houses are pre-wired to go off-grid. So if you want to do solar panel, if you want to do wind, you got that. You can go off-grid. They got all these extra spaces in here, which makes it really nice to go off-grid. Here's your laundry utility room. Very nice size. Then we come back in the primary bedroom. Let's see, it's got a big closet over here. Really big closet in the primary bedroom. Wow, that's huge. Okay. Big walk-in shower. And over here you got a tub. So separate tub and shower in the primary bathroom. That's really nice. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the sensation.